Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of College Cuisine here on Turtle Mitchell's YouTube channel. Today, I want you to imagine first, you're in college, but it's on the ocean, and the dining hall blew up. What are you going to do? How are you going to eat? That's right, you're going to eat the sea creatures, but not the fish. That's not very vegan. Today we're going to be making crab. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're going to bring up this the old crab trap. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got the fish right there. I think it's a rock crab, I'm pretty sure. This one's dead. This one's living. But this one's kind of small. This one, you living? Yep, you're living. Alright. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to catch the crabs. I'm just here to show you how to cook them. Dang, this one's dead. He's got no legs, and only he's got claws. We don't want that, we'll throw him back. But we might want to take this what's it called out? This fish out. Alright, let's go, let's bring her on up here. Alright, I came prepared with some tongs. Hello, crab. Hey. Get over here. Let's get this bad boy right here. There we go. This one kind of looks kind of small though. Oh well, I gotta eat. Alright, come on, it's your turn, buddy. Get you by the front. That's fine. That's two. Alright, let's take this one out. Actually, you know what I'd probably do with this one? I probably could do with this one. Just throw it back in the crab trap. Alright, let's get that other one out. Alright, normally for rock crabs you're going to want to take the one of the claws off and then throw them back. But he's got no claws, so we're just gonna throw him back. Come on, you're almost there, little. You think he's gonna make it?
No, I don't. I think he's accepted his fate. He's gonna die right
Darn it. Next one. Dang. Come on, little boy. Dang, they only got one claw. Where's the opening? Come on, crab. Let me eat you. Thank you. Gee whiz. Oh, yes. There we go. That's 3 blue crabs right there and a fish. You want the fish, Dad? Or we can chop them up and put them back in the crab trap. Alright, we got new bait in here. Just gonna... Oh wait, we didn't throw that one in. Alright, we don't have to throw that one. That one's fine. Hook it back up. And toss her back in there. Now, let's get to cooking these crabs. So how do we cook, you ask? First, we gotta boil the water.
Iconic Southern cooking. Smithfield bacon.
Alright, so in order to make these crab, you're gonna need 2 things. A pot of water and some Old Bay. You're gonna wanna put a heaping helping of Old Bay inside the pot.
Like the whole thing.
Huh?
The whole jug.
The whole thing? That's good. Now just wait for it to boil. We're on location here on Topsail Island for a vacation in North Carolina. Alright, so we're boiling. I'm gonna get the crabs. Stay right there.
Van Camp's pork and beans.
Alright, they've put up a little bit of a fight. I'm gonna need longer tongs. Alright, here we go. Take 2. Alright, Feisty. You're the first one to go. Ooh, that's a little scary right there. Oh, God, yeah, that one. Let's go. All right. All right, so you're just gonna put them straight into the pot? Get off. There you go.
You will die here.
2 more to go. Yeah, that's not gonna work. You need to hold you by your body. Don't hold on to your friend, okay? You guys are gonna go separately. Think I can just hold him? Right, he can't possibly get me with my hands in the back, right?
Especially when they're holding hands like that.
That's what I'm thinking. Oh gosh. No, come on. Go him! Thank you. Perfect. This one's a male, you can tell by the little thing. Second crab, prepare to die. Let go. Let go. Let go. Last one. All right. All of your friends have been boiled alive. It is now your turn. Oh, that was easy. Oh, that one was easy. That was the easiest one of all 3. Feisty over there. All right, now you just wait for them to get a nice orange-red color. See, look at that. That crab was alive just a couple seconds ago. Did I say what kind of crabs those were?
No.
Okay, those were blue crabs. Okay? Blue crabs.
Ooh, how's that one look? Pretty orangey red.
You don't want to undercook them. You don't know what kind of diseases you'll get. How's that look? What do you think? A little bit longer just so we know that they're all tasty inside. Shellfish tier list. This side? Shellfish tier list. Number 5, lobster. Lobster's pretty good, but this is top 5. This is top 5, so it's in the top 5. But there's other stuff that's better. 4? Mussels. I'm gonna go with mussels. I really like mussels. Number 4. Number 3, clams. Clams are really good. Steamed clams. 2, crab. All kinds of crab. I personally like snow crab the best. Like when you get the crack on the crab and then in the leg. You know what I'm talking about? Number 1, best shellfish of all time, oysters. Raw or steamed. I don't care. Alright, I think we're good. I think we're good. So, ignore that entire tier list I just made. I forgot to put in crawdads and shrimps. I don't know what I was thinking. Let's see how we turned out. Ooh, baby. Let's look at some good crabs. There's a plate.
All the way down.
All the way down.
Oh.
No,
that one.
Nope.
No, up, down that way,
Up.
No, up.
Oh, I found it. Crab 1. Ooh, that hurt. Crab. Oops. Crab 2. And crab 3. Yeah, gotta get those claws in there, of course. I mean, not claws, those little leg thingies. Legs. That's what they're called. Alright. Now let's head over to the taste test. This crab sponsored by Cheer Wine. Ow. Look at that. That's the part we want from the crab right there. The meat. Just take it. Fresh seafood. It's like I just caught it in the backyard. That's the claw. No, unfortunately, all these crabs only have 1 claw each. But now we get to the fun part. This is where the fun begins. After you've gotten the claws, you can do this bad boy. Opening her up. Take the shell. Pop it right off. Look at that. Look at that. And still all hot. Pop these little legs off. There's a little bit of meat, but I mean, when you're stuck in a deserted island, you're gonna need all the meat you can get. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
Ooh, that's a good one. Look at that right there. Now, the tricky part with this is these are the gills. You don't want to eat the gills. But if you do, you'll be able to breathe underwater. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Don't do that. Don't eat the gills. I don't know actually what happens, but I hear it's bad. Actually, I've never done research into it. I just never eat the gills. I was taught not to, so I'm teaching you guys not to. Alright. Okay, it's cooled off a little bit, so we're just gonna break it in half. You want to get all the guts and intestines out, all the gills out, and what you want is right here. Yeah, that all crab meat, that leg crab meat, that leg muscles. Well, just pick it out. Yeah, the itty bitty fingers. You scrump it up. Alright, well that was the last important thing I wanted to show you guys. Blue crab, fresh caught, I'm going to give it 5 out of 5, 6 out of 5, 7 out of 5. This thing's good. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.